In the previous lecture, we have discussed the introduction of PCM and block diagram of PCM process. Today I will discuss quantization. What is quantization and the concept of quantization? In communication system, sometimes it happens that we are available with analog signal. However, we have to transmit a digital signal. In such case, we have to convert an analog signal into a digital signal by converting a continuous time signal in the form of digit. Classification of quantization. There are the two types of quantization. First one is the uniform quantization and second one is non-uniform quantization. Uniform quantization means a quantizer is called as a uniform quantizer if the step size remain constant throughout the input range. And non-uniform quantization means in non-uniform quantization is that type of quantizer in which the step size vary according to the input signal value. Next, quantizing. What is quantizing means? In such case, we have to convert an analog signal into a digital signal by converting a continuous time signal in the form of digit. The process of measuring the numerical value of the samples and giving them a table value in a suitable scale. The finite number of amplitude interval is called the quantizing interval. Like quantizing interval number 1 is 10 to 20 millivolt, 2 is 20 to 30 millivolt, etc. in case of 1 volt signal. Linear quantizing is where the quantizing intervals are of the same size. Next, quantization intervals are coded in binary form and so the quantization interval will be in 0 power of 2. In PCM, 8-bit code is used and so we have 256 intervals for quantizing. Means 128 levels in the positive direction and 128 levels in negative direction. Next, what is quantization distortion? The deviation between the amplitude of samples at the transmitter and receiver end. In linear quantization, the linear distortion is more, and to decrease the distortion, the number of steps in the given amplitude range has to be increased. Due to bandwidth limitations, more quantization level in small amplitude region are planned, result to non-linear quantization. Next, PCM standards. What is PCM standards? Means there are two standards of PCM, namely, basically there are the two types of PCM standards, the European standards and the American standards. The difference between European standards and American standards in the of their works, but the principles are the same. European PCM equal to 30 of channels, North American PCM equal to 24 of channels, and Japanese PCM equal to 24 of channels. In India, we follow the European PCM of 30 channels system working. Next, bitrate and bandwidth requirements of PCM. The bitrate of PCM signal can be calculated from the number of bits per sample. X. The sampling rate. What is the formula of bitrate? Equal to NB into Fs. The bandwidth required to transmit this signal depends on the type of line encoding used. A digitized signal will always need more bandwidth than the original analog signal. Price we pay to and other features of digital transmission. Next, advantage of PCM. There are different advantages of PCM. First advantage, PCM provide high noise immunity. Next, we can store the PCM signal due to its digital nature. We can use various coding techniques so that only the designed person can decode the received signal. Next, other different advantage: uniform transmission quality, compatibility of different class of traffic in the network, integrated digital network, increased utilization of existing circuit, low manufacturing cost, and good performance over very poor transmission path. These are the advantages of PCM. Next, disadvantage of PCM. The encoding and decoding and quantizing circuitry of PCM is complex. PCM require a large bandwidth is compared to the other system. Noise and crosstalk leaves low but rise attenuation. An integrated digital network can also be released, be a gradual extension of noise. Next, last, application of PCM. With the advent of fiber optic cables, PCM is used in telephony. Second application in spacecraft transmission to Earth. Due to noise immunity, only PCM system used in such application. And many applications are in compact disc, digital telephony, and digital audio application. These are the application of PCM system. Thank you.